social pension, if during this year it's 500 pesos, by next year, by January next year, ipuon o January 2024.
Bago tayo magpatuloy, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you sa pag-click ng aking video. Good day po sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Sa mga bagong viewers at napadaan lang, by the way, I'm Tita Eda. Welcome to my channel. Ang channel na maghahatid sa iyo ng dagdag kaalaman tungkol sa government services, bagong mga balita at informative videos na galing sa legit na resources. Mag-subscribe na para updated ka.
The social pension, if during this year it's 500 pesos, by next year, by January next year, ipuon o January 2024, the amount will already be 1,000 pesos for the social pension beneficiary, which I would like to repeat are considered indigent senior citizens. So, yan po yung developments. Sana po ang ating mga leaders, pati yung mga senior citizens are conscious of this. Of course, I know that there will always be complaints na mga pagreklamo ron ka, there may be certain excesses. Please call the attention of MSSD. Yung social pension by lobby,
yes, po,
is another thing. That is, you can actually file that through your barangay or municipality, and they will forward that request to the MSSD, and the MSSD will give the indigents in the localities. So yan po yung kasi nirerespeto ng pamahalaan yung autonomy, kaya yung MSSD ang namamahagi ngayon ng mga senior citizens social pension.
If sa tingin mo, natulungan ka ng video ko na ito, nakasave ka sa oras mo, you can click yung thanks button at any amount ay malaking help sa pag-grow ng channel ko. Yun lang po muna ang aking update. Sana ay nakatulong na dagdag kaalaman ang aking shinare today. Ang goal ng aking channel ay mag-create ng awareness. Kung ganitong mga topic ang gusto mo, panoorin mo ang mga videos ko na ito. Thanks for watching! Kung may kapamilya, kaibigan o kakilala sa tingin mo ay magiging interesado sa video, please share or tag sila sa comment section. At syempre, if nagustuhan mo ang video, i-like mo na ito at subscribe ka na din. As always, feel free to write your questions, comments, and opinions respectfully. And continue to be a blessing and stay safe!